Hello everyone, I'm Alexander, and in this guide we will cover everything about the world's most advanced open source database, from coding to some good to know facts about it. So let's start. First, what is PostgreSQL? PostgreSQL is the world's most advanced open source database and the fourth most popular database. In development for more than 20 years, PostgreSQL is managed by a well-organized and highly principled and experienced open source community. PostgreSQL supports both SQL relational and JSON non-relational querying. PostgreSQL is used as a primary database for many web applications as well as mobile and analytics applications. Many companies have built products and solutions based on PostgreSQL. Some featured companies are Apple, Fujitsu, Red Hat, Cisco, Jupyter, Network, Instagram, etc. PostgreSQL against MySQL. PostgreSQL is perceived as a go-to solution for performing complicated high-volume data operations. That's because PostgreSQL is better at handling extraordinary database situations. It has more features than other database management systems. Also, it is extensible because its operation is catalog-driven. In other words, it doesn't just store information about tables and columns, it lets you define data types, index types, and functional languages. Additional points that set PostgreSQL apart are the fact it is object relational, ACID compliant, and offers no SQL support. To be fair, MySQL also offers no SQL support since version 8. Finally, although PostgreSQL isn't the most popular database system in the world, it did win the Database of the Year award in 2017 and 2018 for being the fastest growing database management system. Okay, so that's it from good to know facts. So let's start coding. First, you will need to install PostgreSQL on your machine. Go to this URL, it will be in the description, and click download. And here you select your preferred platform. I'm on Windows, so I will select Windows. And now from this page you select download the installer. And now when this page is loaded, you select again version you want. Again, I have selected 10.14 because it is compatible with every platform. Okay, so the second thing you will need is package PG from npm. It is a little harder to find, but I will again put you in the description of the video. Okay, so let's start coding. First we need to initialize npm packages. Okay, so write npm init. And wait a second or two. And now package name yes, version yes, description will be working with PostgreSQL, entry point app.js, test command, git repository, keywords, author Alexander, license, and yes. Okay, that's it. So now we will create new file and call it, of course, app.js. App.js and put it into project YouTube. Okay, that's it. So when we have it, we can now start coding, actual coding. So we first need to download this package, npm install pg pg, paste and run it. And while it is installing, we can now start coding. First we will create database and connection. So we write const pull client is equal to require pg, okay, and now connection const pull is equal to new pull, okay, and there we put the information user will be Postgres, host is localhost, password is 1234. You put the password when you are installing the Postgres. You will be prompt with to write your password, and you write it then. So in your installation process, and port is default for Postgres 45432. Okay, and now we haven't specified database here because we will specify it down here, and later on connect and write it here. So step by step, pull dot query, create database, and now our database will be called Postgres node, let's say, and it will have as second argument this and a result, and if error, throw error, and console.log db created, let's say, and now node app. Okay, yes, our database is created. Now we can connect it here by writing database and the name of the actual database here. Okay, and we are now connected. Okay, so now we will use this as our base for the next arguments for creating table. Let's look. Create table. And now instead of create database, we will just write create table here. Create table customers with name varchar 30 and last name also varchar 30. Okay, keep it simple. Okay, and result if error, and right here table created. And that's it. We now should take a look at the app. Yes, table is created. Nice. So now we can go to the next step, and it is inserting data into database. So because when we are connected now to the Postgres node, we can create the table, and from that moment we can now insert data. Insert into Postgres. Insert into customers. Insert into customers name and last name, values, and the name will be George, let's say, and the last name will be Alexis. George Alexis, good name. Okay, and data created, data added better. And here instead of create we write insert, and let's see, Node app. That's it, data is added. So when we have added, we can now see it live by going to select and select it, or read it better, select everything from customers. And here we write result, because it is our second parameter which carries the result of this query. And now write Node app. And here is our George Alexis. That's it. And now we are left with update. Okay, update. Update customers. Set name is equal to, let's say, Alex, where name is George. And again, console log updated. And let's take a look how it looks. Yes, updated, and the last CRUD operation is delete. So we will delete from, and here comes table name, delete from customers, where name is equal to Alex. Okay, and here we put data deleted, and here on the comment delete operation. And now take a live look, run the app, data delete. So guys, that's it from some good to know facts about PostgreSQL to actual coding and implementing all CRUD operations and all connecting in actual app. So